Good morning, students. In last class, we had derived the equation of PDV work or displacement work for any given thermodynamic process. In today's class, we will apply that PDV work or PDV expression for PDV for different quasi-static processes or different predefined processes. Among that, let us consider first one, that is constant pressure process. We can also call it as isobaric process. Constant pressure process is nothing but throughout the process the pressure of a system will be constant. You can observe in the PV diagram here, in the process 1 to 2 the pressure will be constant because the line is perpendicular to the y-axis, which means that pressure axis. So this image clearly shows that pressure is constant in the process 1 to 2. Okay, for this constant pressure or isobaric process, we will apply PDV equation. Let us see. We know the basic PDV equation. If work done in the process 1 to 2, W1 to 2 is equal to this equation. PDV under the integration sign, lower limit V1 and upper limit V2. So this is the basic equation. Okay. If apply this equation to constant pressure process means pressure is constant. So as P term is constant, you can take it outside the integration sign. Now if you integrate this dV, it will become V2 minus V1. Okay, if you integrate dV, it becomes V. So for V, if you apply limits V2 and V1, it becomes P into V2 minus V1. So and hence, in the case of constant pressure process, PDV work in the process of 1 to 2 is equal to P into change in the volume. This is the equation, PDV equation for constant pressure process or isobaric process. Now let us apply PDV equation to constant volume process, or we can also call it as isochoric process. In constant volume process, volume of the system will be constant throughout the process. You can observe in the PV diagram here, in the process 1 to 2, the volume will be constant as the line is perpendicular to the x-axis, which is volume line. It clearly shows that volume is constant throughout the process 1 to 2. So if you apply PDV equation to this constant volume process, as in this basic equation, that is PDV equation, in the work is done in the process 1 to 2 is equal to integration sign P into dV. As dV is constant, as V is constant, I mean in the process 1 to 2, if volume is constant, then change in volume will be 0. As change in volume will be 0, then work done will be 0. So PDV equation for constant volume process is 0, which means that work done in constant volume process, constant volume thermodynamic process is 0.